Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your group wallpaper on the WhatsApp PC app following the latest update. Personalizing your chats makes messaging more fun and engaging, so let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app window. Click on it to access the settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Personalization. Click on that to explore your wallpaper options. Now, you'll see various wallpaper choices available for your groups. You can either choose from the pre-installed options or upload your own image if you want something personalized. Simply browse through the choices, and when you find the wallpaper that catches your eye, select it. Lastly, don't forget to confirm your choice. Once you've set the wallpaper, it should automatically update for everyone in the group. And voila! You've successfully changed your group wallpaper on the WhatsApp PC app. That's all there is to it. It's a quick process that lets you express your style and make your group chats a bit more vibrant. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.